When it comes to financial security, one shouldn't just focus on reducing their expenses, but at the same time try to create multiple streams of income. A 2018 report by CNBC stated that 65% of millionaires had at least 3 streams of income, and 29% of millionaires had 5 or more streams of income. Now, income can be both active and passive. When you have to put in a considerable amount of work on a regular basis to earn income, that income can be classified as active income. Some examples would be income from a job, income from being self-employed in a business, or income from freelancing. On the other hand, if you have to put in very minimal amount of effort on a regular basis or a considerable amount of effort but for a limited time, and that too on an upfront basis, then in that case, that income can be classified as passive income. In this video, we will discuss about passive income ideas which you can try to make in order to achieve multiple streams of income. But before we start, you should understand that first you need to focus on building active income, and once you are able to suffice your day-to-day needs, you can start building passive income. Why I say this is because passive income takes some amount of time to build. And if you directly start focusing on building passive income without having enough money to fulfill your day-to-day needs, then you might have to face some short-term financial difficulties till the passive income activates. Also, some of the points that we will discuss in this video will require considerable amount of money to reap worthy returns. So taking this understanding into consideration, let's get straight into the video. The first passive income idea is to build a YouTube channel. A YouTube channel with a good viewership can help you achieve substantial amount of passive income. The monetization option on YouTube allows you to earn income from an AdSense account. YouTube shows your viewers ads before your video starts and also in between if the videos are of good length. The earnings, however, differ significantly based on the niche you produce your content on. Educational content and personal finance are niches with the highest payouts, but it's difficult to get viewership for these niches. With respect to the amount of effort needed, you need to put in a good amount of work upfront in order to make a good collection of videos so you can start earning passive income from your older videos. The second passive income idea is to sell a video course online. Every person is good at some particular skill. You can monetize on it by creating a video course on that particular skill and list it out on platforms such as Skillshare, LinkedIn Learning, Udemy, etc. Some of the content creators also prefer to list the course on their personal website. There is no limitation as to which skill you can impart in your video course. It can be related to literally anything, be it cooking, yoga, dancing, using a particular software, or even creating an architectural masterpiece. The majority of the work is put in upfront to create the video course. Once the video course is completed, you can utilize strategies such as performance marketing in order to sell your video course. The third passive income idea is rental income from property. Rental income is one of those passive incomes where you require minimal effort but high capital. When you work on building rental income, you will have to choose between residential real estate and commercial real estate. To make it easier for you, let me tell you that the rental yield on commercial properties is higher than residential real estate in most cases. If you do some research in your local area, you will be able to find properties where the rental yield would be between 4 to 6%. Good thing about rental income is that you get a stable cash flow every month, and the perks of owning a property helps you to enjoy capital appreciation as well. The fourth passive income idea is to create an app. Apps where regular work does not have to be put in to maintain the app can actually help you make real passive income. For example, if you create a game that is addictive, you can capitalize on the user base by keeping in-app purchases and advertisements. Also, if you feel that your app has value and people might pay a certain amount for it, then you can offer your app for a certain price. The only thing that you will have to care about is that your app keeps on creating value on a regular basis, and if needed, you can also put in some minute updates to keep the users engaged. The fifth passive income idea is to do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you refer a product or a service to some people with the aim to earn a commission on the purchases done by those people. This income is really hard to build as you need to have a large network of people to capitalize on this opportunity. Therefore, affiliate marketing is mostly done by influencers who have a decent following and credibility in the niche they're working on, because people buy on your recommendation only when they trust you. The e-commerce platforms such as Flipkart and Amazon have their own affiliate program where you can register and get unique links to share with people. Once people purchase through those links, you get a commission on that. The sixth passive income idea is automating a business. This is the most difficult one to build, because when running a business, most business owners become self-employed and they have to put in a lot of effort on a regular basis for the business to function at its optimum. Automating a business would mean that the operations of the business would carry on even without the presence of the business owner. This is possible only when you learn the art of delegation. Delegation is simply identifying the right personnel for a particular job and then making him accountable for the work that is allotted. This can definitely take from a few months to a few years to build, but it is possible with proper planning and execution. The seventh passive income idea is to invest in mutual funds. Earning passive income by investing in mutual funds is the easiest option throughout the 9 passive income ideas that we discuss in this video. So a mutual fund is an investment company that pools money from a lot of investors and then invest it in diverse securities such as stocks, bonds, short-term marketable securities, etc. You can start investing in mutual funds with a capital as low as rupees 100. A major benefit of investing in mutual funds is that your money is managed professionally by expert fund managers, and for that you just need to pay a small expense ratio to reap the benefits of your investment. For a 10% compounded annual growth rate, one can choose to invest in blue chip funds where there is also a good safety quotient because the companies there are very stable when compared to mid caps and small caps. The eighth passive income idea is to write an ebook. The cost of publishing has really reduced these days. People can use platforms such as the Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing in order to list out their book on Amazon and sell it to the millions of potential buyers on Amazon. Ebooks can do really well if the idea presented in the book has value for the readers. One can use their personal expertise to share their valuable insights or even present a fictional story with an attractive writing style. Ebooks, however, don't sell on their own. You will have to market the book through online ads, presence in podcasts, doing media interviews, and more. For people who have other product offerings related to their niche, they can use the ebook to promote and sell their products to the readers. If you already have a good following on social media, then the most amount of effort is put in writing the book upfront, because then you can use your own social media profiles to promote and sell the book. The ninth passive income idea is to invest in dividend paying stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is a great way to make passive income. When you invest in dividend stocks, you reap the benefits on your capital in 2 forms. The first being a regular dividend income, and the second being appreciation in the company's stock price. The amount of capital required to invest in dividend stocks is typically high in order to make a considerable dividend income. Now, since this passive income requires you to pick stocks individually, you must consult a financial advisor to build a good dividend stocks portfolio. Let me know in the comment section down below which passive income is the most feasible for you. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for my next video.